pointed out, as the golden race, us, starts to rise and reanimate, pull ourselves together, it marks the end of the beast system. So what you'll notice is all that Trump shit is just going to get funnier and funnier to us. The other niggas will be shivering in their boots. But to us, all that Kim Jong-un and all that dumb shit that's happening, you're going to be laughing and laughing as he grabs all the pussies he can possibly grab and get away with it. It's fucking hilarious. We don't say, I can't believe he said grab the pussies is our president. Oh, nigga, we've been telling y'all that for years. This shit is a joke. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Now, Bill Maher made another point, too, I want to get out. Or somebody on Penn from Penn and Teller he said, this shit Donald Trump proves ain't no fucking Illuminati, ain't no Bilderberg, ain't no this, ain't no that. Otherwise, they would have been done put an end to that shit. You know what I'm saying? They would not let this madness go on. Now, we know that should exist, but what it proves, and I want y'all to hear this portion well, all the shit I've been telling you from the jump, they don't have the power that we keep giving them. They've been selling us wolf tickets and Beyonce Masonic tickets, and we think they got their hands all over shit, and they ain't all through the music. They ain't nothing. Otherwise, they would have killed Trump's ass. Just because, for no other reason, they need him, or they need a president to make this thing look presidential, to make this little American hustle look real. You following what I'm saying, guys?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. This American hustle has to look real. So they cannot allow Donald Trump, not because of him being an evil racist without morality. Don't give a fuck about that. Just because they need someone white, just like they needed someone black like Obama to make you take this shit seriously. Every nigga, my president said that. My president. They was all in, niggas. Couldn't stay in America 5 minutes before because some Trayvon Martin shit. Then it was all in with Obama. You understand? So those powers that be, that do exist, they couldn't allow Trump for his Looney Tunes approach to this. He's making America look like Looney Tunes. And he only should be showing us, the conscious, what we've been telling forever. This shit ain't real. These niggas ain't real. And what I've been saying out my mouth, and others been saying, these words, they have no power. Because if they did, they would have stopped him. They would have had to stop him to keep the front going. You understand? I just needed to get that off my chest.